Hi, my name is Dana, and I want to thank you for joining me in exploring some great strategies for getting students to engage more authentically in class discussions. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video is worth millions. Help students conceptualize abstract thoughts and ideas through ClassHook's diverse clip collection. With ClassHook, you can help facilitate student understanding of reading social cues, as in the Snow White clip you are about to see.
Now don't tell me who you are. Let me guess. I know. You're a dog.
Why, yeah, that's true.
And you're bashful.
Oh, gosh.
And you're sleepy.
Hard to guess.
And you,
That's,
you're sneezy. Yes. And you must be.
Happy, ma'am. That's me. And this is Dopey. He don't talk none.
You mean he can't talk?
He don't know. He never tried.
Oh, that's too bad. Oh, you must be grumpy.
yeah.
We know who we are. Ask her who she is and what she's doing here.
Yeah. What are you and who are you doing? What are you? Who are you, my dear?
Oh, how silly of me. I'm Snow White.
Snow White.
The princess?
Yes.
You can also present ethical dilemmas, showcase science experiments, and explore controversial topics through television shows and film. It's human nature to challenge what we see in films if we find ourselves disagreeing with something. ClassHook engages your students in discussions around some common challenging themes. Dealing with conflict, identifying emotions, and demonstrating social awareness are prevalent in just about every movie. By making SEL tangible through relevant and realistic film scenes, educators improve understanding using visual examples, capture student interest and retain their attention, create a comfortable environment for discussion. Films possess the ability to foster knowledge, skills, and attitudes across 5 areas of competence: self-awareness, social awareness, self-management, responsible decision-making, and relationship skills. Disney Pixar's animated film Inside Out personifies human emotions as living characters of the same name: joy, sadness, disgust, anger, and fear. By analyzing the interaction between joy and sadness, students understand the value of empathy and that even negative emotions are valuable and significant in personal growth.
Anyway, these are Riley's memories, and they're mostly happy, you'll notice, not to brag. But the really important ones are over here. I don't want to get too technical, but these are called core memories. Each one came from a super important time in Riley's life, like when she first scored a goal. That was so amazing.
Look at that. Very
And each core memory powers a different aspect of Riley's personality. Like Hockey Island. Goofball Island is my personal favorite.
Come back here, you little monkey! Oh, you're sick.
Yep, Goofball is the best.
Warner Brothers Pictures' 2000 film Pay It Forward is based loosely on Katherine Ryan Hyde's novel of the same name. The film chronicles the launch of a goodwill movement, Pay It Forward, by 11-year-old Trevor McKinney. It depicts the cause and effect of responsible or irresponsible decision-making of various individuals, thus providing examples to promote student engagement on moral and ethics, leading up to a climactic final scene, ideal for such discussions.
See you around. See you later, guys. Tomorrow, right? Let me go! Stop it!
Tail,
Stop it!
Tattletale, Tattletale.
I didn't tell anybody. I swear, I didn't say anything. Help! Let me go! Stop it! Trevor!
Come here.
Hey!
Let me go.
Trevor! No! Trevor! Hey!
Get out my face.
Punch it, come on!
No! Leave him alone! Trevor! Trevor!
As you can see, ClassHook makes learning more relevant and encourages discussion about many real-world topics. Find even more content on classhook.com.